Welcome back, everyone. Today, I wanted to get into a little bit about what is going on with these different transactions that give us a little bit of our favorite tokens sometimes. And so I've gotten a little bit of Reaper in some accounts. I've gotten a little bit of Zoge. It just kind of depends on what it is. And so uh, this is very similar to what's called a dust attack, which is where people will give you a little bit of crypto to your wallet in order to uh, get you to do something. Hey, I've got some money, and then you find out where you're going to go cash it out to, and apparently it's on their site, and it somehow hacks your account. That is usually prevented by the trust lines because you cannot receive any funds if you do not have a trust line set up. Well, now people are using the trust lines and the fact that you trust different tokens in order to get you to interact with a fraudulent link of some kind. And so this one right here is one in my test account that popped up. As you can see, it has an exclamation point on it inside of a red sign, and it is not no bueno. It's from whatever animal official, not even sure. But this harkens back to the day where they used to send you mail. I know it's a long time ago for some of you, but you used to send out mail with like $1 in it to get you to respond, to think that there's more, and basically that's kind of the history of these kind of scams. But in this case, I got 10 Shiba NFT, and it showed me a memo, and you can read the full memo here. And eventually what it comes down to is they want you to go to anemoworld.net, where they probably will scam you out of your account some money or get you to put in your secret keys, those kinds of deals. So be watching out for these little scam transactions. It's great, if they want to send us some of our favorite token, just don't click on the memo. Don't click on the fraud alert. Just don't go to that site that's in the memo, and they shouldn't have access to your account. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer. But wanted to address this and address it with the community. Please do not interact besides, hey, I got some Shiba NFT from someone trying to take advantage of me. Cool, you can give me money, but don't interact with it any further than that. And this is just a new wave with people trying to take advantage. So please always do your own research. Always be uh, if you don't know a payment is coming from somewhere, if no one's told you they're going to give you money, please always take that with a huge grain of salt. And yeah, but anyways, none of this is financial advice. It's just simply me warning the community about another wave of potential scams that are going through. So again, if you see anything else that's like this that's happening, I'm always interested. Please follow me on Twitter and check me out there. And of course, feel free to tag me so that I can inform the community of anything else that's going on like this. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and do all the things. I'm JTXRP, and I'm out.